And d6 is played. Oh my. Oh my. Martin just played the Bon Cloud. He just played King E2. Hey guys, so I've played against Martin a lot on this channel. I've given Martin 39 rooks, I've given Martin a bunch of queens, and Martin still usually manages to lose. However, today, instead of playing against Martin, I'm going to team up with Martin, and we're going to see if together, with our powers combined, we can beat one of the intermediate bots. So the way this is going to work, I'm going to make one move, Martin's going to make one move, I'm going to make one move, Martin's going to make one move, and we're going to see what happens. So first thing to do is choose which bot are we going to challenge. Let's see what we have in the intermediate section here. Amir, Maxime, Hans. Hans. The name speaks for itself. We're playing against Hans. All right. So what I'm going to do is choose Hans. We're going to start this game. And off to the side over here, which you guys can't see, but trust me, it's over here, I have this separate tab where I have Martin pulled up. So I'm going to use this game to figure out which moves Martin is going to play. All right. So I'm going to actually let Martin have the first move. Let's see what Martin decides to do. D4. Martin plays D4. All right. So here we go. And let's see what Hans is going to do. Okay. I'm going to go with the safe move and I'll play C4. And let's come over here and we will see what Martin plays. Okay. He plays knight to c3. All right. I'm feeling pretty good about Martin's skills so far. And I am going to play e4. We'll just get the center. Why not? We'll see what Martin is going to do. Let me come over here. And d6 is played. Oh my. Oh my. Martin just played the Bon Cloud. He just played King E2. Okay, we have our work cut out for us. All right, what's a safe move? I'm thinking F3 is pretty safe because I don't really trust Martin and I just want to like defend against all threats. We're going to play F3. Oh, Martin, why would you do that? Why would you do such a thing? H5 is played and Martin plays D5. Okay, it's not the worst move. It's not the worst move. I am going to play Bishop E3 and hope for the best. Right, Bishop E3. So let's see. This was played, and then Bishop to E3, and then Knight to A6 is played. Okay, what's Martin gonna do? He plays Queen E1. All right. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. All right, how do we do this? Martin is probably going to start blundering some stuff. Maybe we should go King F2 just to defend this guy. Let's play King F2. So let me come over here and let's see. Knight to B6 was played. King to F2. Knight to D7. And Martin plays A3. Okay, could be worse. Could be worse. I can work with that. All right. Let's see if we can develop some of these pieces. Let's play Bishop D3. I want to play Bishop D3, Knight E2, and just get the pieces going here. All right, let's do this. And Knight to E5, and Martin plays King F1. King F1. Okay. Martin, you didn't see that, huh? Oh my. All right. Well, we got to save the queen. So let's play Queen D2. I'm starting to regret the fact that I picked Martin to be on my team, to be honest with you guys. All right, what happened here? So Knight takes D3 was played. Queen D2 was played. Queen F6, okay, and Martin... Hey, he took the knight. That a boy. All right. I approve. I approve. Let's play knight here. Just defend everything. All right, let me see. Let me catch up with the moves over here. So Queen E7 was played, and then this knight, and then Knight to C5. All right. Martin plays Queen B1. Look at this guy. He notices the threat. What a move. What a move. All right, what are we going to do? Let's try to... I mean, should we just take some stuff? I don't know what Martin's going to do. Let's play King F2. I want to connect the rooks. Actually... b4. This is defended, but that's pretty risky as far as Martin is concerned. Let's play king f2. Rook to d8. And what is Martin going to do? Queen to d1. Okay, well, could be worse. So I'm happy with that. Bishop d7. All right. Let's go ahead and get this rook out of here. I want the king to be safer, so I'm going to bring the rook over to e1. I think that's a good idea. So bishop d7, rook to e1, and then bishop e5 was played. And how is Martin going to respond? Ooh, knight to a2. Not awesome. Yeah, not awesome, dude. Okay, well, I could play rook b1. I could allow this and go for some sort of attack here, although I'm not confident in Martin's ability to stop that. I guess let's play rook b1. Martin messed us up here, to be quite honest with you guys. He messed us up. Okay, queen f6 was played. And Martin plays queen c2. Okay, I can work with this. I can work with this. Bishop to e5. All right. We could take here and get a pawn. I'm not sure if that's worth it. We could hide our king over here. I think I like that better, just to get the king out of danger and avoid this happening. Let's do that. Let's play king g1. All right, and then what is Martin going to do? Queen to d2. Oh dear. Whew. All right, I was starting to get worried. So I really don't want to let this happen. Like, I know we need to take this, but I really don't want to get checkmated here. I think we need to play f4 to gain a tempo on the bishop and block off this diagonal. And we'll take this next move. Or Martin will take this next move because he's a smart player and he's going to see that we need to take that pawn. So I'm going to play f4. And let me catch up with the moves here. So e takes d5 was played. And then f4, knight takes e4. And how is Martin going to respond? He played h3. He played this move. Yep. And Hans is trash talking us. Thank you for your lady. Yes. Come on, Martin. Get it together, buddy. Get it together. All right. Well, I guess we take this. I mean, I don't really know what else to say at this point. All right. Captures. And what is Martin going to do? Hey, rook takes b2. All right. That's a good move. That's a good move. Bishop c6, and it's now my turn. I am going to take this guy. Take c7. Rook c8 is played. And how does Martin respond? g3. Okay. Not the worst move, although it's not amazing. Ooh, and Hans blunders. Hans blunders the queen. And it's my turn. So I'm going to take it. Thank you very much, friend. All right, so bishop to b2 is played. And Martin responds with bishop to c3. Okay, we can work with that. I think we can work with that. All right, he captures here. What am I going to do? We're down a rook. No, we have the exchange. It's not so terrible. It's not so terrible. Let's play knight to d4, try to activate this knight. And Hans plays bishop c5. Martin plays rook a1. Martin needs to work on his endgame abilities. a4, okay. And what are we going to do? I think we need to take this. Oh, we can't. It's pinned. All right. We have to get out of the pin. I guess we go king h2 or king f1. I like king f1 because we get some control over the file. Might be useful in the future. Let's go king f1. And rook to b8 is played. And Martin plays rook to c1. All right. Martin's just kind of shuffling the rook. It could be worse. I mean, at least he's not blundering pieces. So a3. I think we can take this now. This knight's really terrible, but I can't really do anything about that. We can attack this. I don't think that's going to work out so well. I'm going to take this. And rook takes c6 is played. What does Martin do? Rook to e1. Okay. He's just moving his rook. All right. d5. What am I going to do? I think. Let's just put the bishop on a nice safe square and attack the rook. Why not? Maybe Hans won't see it. Nope, he sees it. Rook to b3. Okay. And Martin goes back to c3. Martin, you're being very counterproductive right now. Trying to accomplish something here. All right. Well, we have to save this. We don't have a lot of good moves left. There's a random check, but it doesn't do anything. Should we keep the bishop on this diagonal? I guess. Let's go bishop a1. Hans plays f6. And Martin plays, wait for it, rook to d1. Seems he's only capable of moving the rook back and forth. All right. Well, at least he attacked the pawn. I guess we can take it. All right. I see what you did there, Martin. I see what you did there. And Hans goes back, and Martin plays rook to d2. Okay. Not the worst thing in the world. Bishop takes f4 is played. And what am I going to do? What am I going to do? Well, let's go. We'll take a page from Martin's book and we'll slide the rook over. All right, rook to d3 is played. And Martin plays bishop c3. Nice move. He saves the bishop. All right, I'm proud of you, Martin. Okay, rook takes h3. I need to pause the video. My daughter is screaming at me. I will come back and finish this game in just a second. All right, guys, I actually got interrupted. Had to take care of some family stuff, and I'm back, but it's been like 4 hours since when I was playing this game earlier, so I kind of need to catch up with what happened. So rook takes h3 was played. Let's see. Let me back up a couple moves. Whose turn was it? So I believe did I play this move? And I think Martin played bishop c3, and so I think it's my turn now. Okay, if I remember correctly, I'm going to say that it's my turn. I believe it is. So what's going on again? Yeah, we're losing. That's what's going on. Okay. Well, let's go on the offensive and see what happens. So I'll play rook e7 check, and let me catch up over here on this board. All right, what do we have? King h6. All right. And what is Martin going to play? Bishop d4. All right. Rook d3. Okay. I really would like to use this knight. We have a fork. Although I'd lose this. I take the rook. It's probably worth it. There's a check. I think it's still a decent move. Let's play it. Let's play knight to b4. And what do we have? Rook takes d4. Okay. Hopefully. Oh, Martin. I forgot that Martin had to play next. He saw it, though. He saw it. He actually took it. All right, Martin. There you go. Good job. Oh, a2. Yeah, that's happening, isn't it? Okay. So if I take this, that's not going to cut it for us. So we need to stop that pawn. We're going to have to lose our rook. Regardless, hopefully Hans doesn't see that. We'll go rook a7, though. And, okay, rook here. What is Martin going to do? He plays king to e1. All right. Not bad. But we do have a bit of a problem. These pawns. Well, let's go knight b4 and try to stop them. The only other thing I could do is go for this checkmate, which I assume Hans will see. Let's try it. Let's try it. This will be an epic way to end the game. Let's just go for it and see what happens. I'm going to play knight e7. Is he going to let me do it? Oh! The big question is Martin going to see it? Okay, come on, Martin. Let me come over here. What did we have? I need to catch up over here. So c3 was played, and then I went for knight e7, and this is played. What is Martin going to do? Here's the moment. He saw it. He played it. He just played it. He just played it. I'll prove it to you guys. Look, this is the game over here. Look, Martin just did that. Oh, Martin with the win. Checkmate in one. Martin never misses checkmate in one. good game, Hans. But you're no match for Martin and Nelsie. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Sorry that it got interrupted in the middle. Hope that wasn't weird for you. But yeah, I had fun doing this, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have any ideas of what kind of videos I should do with Martin, let me know. Stay sharp. Play smart. Take care.